fun.
Oh my god, he's coming after me. That. Hi guys. I'm here in this new game called the Monkey Jumpers, which is actually owned by my friend Ghosty. This just came out on the MetaQuest store, so you guys should totally get it. If you can't find it on the store because it kind of just released, I will put the MetaQuest link in the description so you guys can find it. But I got a manager because I've been playing the game before it's released. I've been a beta tester and stuff. Alright, so I kind of got co-owner in it because I've been here since day one. He was actually making a different game before this, but it didn't really work out, so he quit and made this. And so I've been testing out the betas on the APKs and stuff, and I got manager / co-owner. It's called manager, but it is co-owner. So here's the manager thing. You get this cool little hat with the manager title, and here's the kick hammer. I don't know why it does it, but there's a kick hammer whenever you obviously hit someone, they get kicked, and I think it looks really cool. Mainly because I made it. I did make all of the cosmetics pretty much. Let me turn it off. Oh yeah, and also I got the leaderboard kick, so I can just kick people from the leaderboard. But what I'm talking about is I made all the cosmetics. I made everything that you see here, except for these nerd glasses and the plunger. I made this top hat, these stupid sunglasses. You should not get these. These glasses suck. Like, look at the model; it's garbage. But here's the hat. Here's the traffic cone. It looks really bad, but once you put it on, it goes to a different model, and the model is way better because I modeled it. And I didn't model this, but I modeled the one that I'm wearing right now. We got the blue beanie. It's really cool. I modeled it. I got the scarf. It's also really cool. And yeah, the kick hammer, manager title, mod title, everything else pretty much. So I'm gonna be telling you about the game modes and stuff. But first, let's go to the mod room. We got Ghosty as the owner, me as a co-owner, and Redfire as a co-owner. And then here are all the moderators. I actually got my own voice line. Hi guys, it's me, Nightman. If you see Splash, make sure to say hi to him because he's my Pookie. Okay, goodbye.
You see that episode of today named Nightman? Yeah, tell him that he is Sigma, and also give him a big kiss because he made all the cosmetics.
We're gonna do horror last because I don't want to do it alone. I want to do it with like a friend. So yeah, so let's go to zero gravity. There we go. Give these cube models. They go up and down. Yeah, that's zero gravity. You just have zero gravity. You can't swim, sadly, but you can push off the ground and stuff. So, and it's mainly a horror game, as you can see from like the mod hats and stuff. It's pretty much like a horror game, but here are the different modes. We got Rising Lava. Let's go ahead and try that one out. Join a room. Now I'm in the room. We just gotta wait for the lava to go down. Let's go down right now. Alright, so now guys, we gotta go up. Quick. Oh my god, I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm actually dead. I'm actually dead. I'm actually yeah. So sorry for not having anything for you. Yeah, so there's supposed to be cosmetic there. I think it's coming soon. I might model a new one. I might model like a sword or something. I don't know. So that's Rising Lava. You just beat it. There's really no point to it, sadly, because there's no cosmetic. So let's join the room. Here's Forest. It's like a nice little playground. My hand. Bro, we got the classic. What the? These things don't work. What the? Do you see the? Do you see? Like, hold up. Let me recenter my boundary. These do not work, but bro, what the heck? Here are the ropes. You can climb up them. Trees, you can also climb up them. I didn't make any of the, like, game models. I only make cosmetics. So if you see a model like the slide, the trees, the ropes, the double walls, whatever, I only made cosmetics. That's the only thing I made. PvP is coming out soon, but he is still working on it.
Real. Do you like
Yo,
the
what?
head
Yo,
cap,
dude,
or
what
it
is
shit?
this? Equipment head
haven't-
cap revamped. Oh, what the? Yo, dude, this was.
It's way better
Did you
than
just
the
add this? Dude, I did not see this last APK.
Yeah, this is a new APK or a new update at least, not APK.
Bro, why
You
did
can
the?
fix that pretty easily.
Let's go,
I'm gonna
man.
take it off.
I'm
Let's
gonna
go, chat.
try to go with it. Button
No, it's
one.
really fun.
Oh my god, he's coming after me. Help. Climb up the walls. Climb up the walls. Climb up the walls. Holy crap. Oh. No, he isn't.
Shit,
No,
that
no, he
was
isn't.
tough.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Really?
I'm alive. I need
bet
one
no.
more button. Where is it? Found it. I'm going through. Yes, sir. I made it to level 2.
Okay, I'm good. I'm in level 2. Oh shit, he's right there. Oh crap, I hit my wall. Rip over.
2 buttons.
I'm on top of it. Yo, I'm on top of chat, yo.
That's crazy. Oh yeah, dude, that's the best glitch. Why did you get off of him? Why did you get off of him? Oh my god. Well, I
He's
beat
so
level 2.
quick, but it's so fun at the same time.
Alright, well, I beat level 2. I'm on level 3 now. Here, look, I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. Alright, give him a second.
And go.
I'm going.
He's really fast only when he sees you.
He's so fast! Why is he fast?
I died.
Why is he so fast?
Consider him deaf. Like, he can't see. Fast as shit. I think, is this my last
I got it. I'm going to level 4.
That's my last button.
I'm going to level 4.
I bet I'm coming. Last button. He's right there. No,
I'm going in.
no.
Where's the... Get me in.
died.
I'm inside. Holy crap.
W. Alright, I bet I'm coming.
Oh,
Alright, bet. I made this level bigger, though.
dude,
So,
this
like,
level is
you have to-
terrifying.
Yeah, no, this is probably the scariest level. He's really quick and tiny. So
Why do you make him
probably the
quick
scariest
and tiny? What is that?
level.
Holy crap! Oh my god, I'm quitting the
He's
game.
so
Oh my
fast.
god, I'm quitting the game.
Oh.
Alright, thank you guys
Alright,
for
cool.
watching. I'll put the Discord link in the description and the game link in the description. Make sure to subscribe, and I'm gonna be doing like updates on this game and stuff and new videos soon. So yeah. Goodbye.